Hi, today I want to show you how you can easily clean your AC drain pipe within like 5-10 minutes. This will save you a lot of time, unnecessary headaches, because sooner or later algae will accumulate in the line. And so I found a better way of just pushing a lot of water through the entire line, and this clears everything. Physically, you just push a lot of water under high pressure and this pushes all the algae out of the system. So first you need to have a valve just like this, right before the line goes into the air handler. And this is the T that I use for maintenance. You can open that and you can pour a Clorox over here. This is the extra connections I created, because what I want to do is I want to connect my hose, garden hose, right here, and this is the garden hose connection. So when I'm going to be pushing the water down, it's not gonna be backing up to the air handler once I close the valve. Of course, on the other side I have a P-trap with the opening up, because you need to have a ventilation, and I have a long pipe going up, so before I'm ready to push the water I need to close that. So I use this part, and then the water is gonna be pushing through the system and pushing all the debris throughout the drainage pipe. This is my drainage pipe on the outside going to my plants. So I use that water to water my plants. What I need to do is disconnect the line. And already I can see there's a lot of algae. And I do this maintenance once a year. It's March, so it's time to do it. And you can already see how much algae I have accumulating in the drainage pipe, so I need to push all that gunk out of the system. Okay, so I have my garden hose connected to the T, and now all I have to do is just close the valve, and I'll turn the water on to push the water down, and it will not back in. It will gonna go through the line, and all the pressure will clean all the junk that is sitting inside of the line. I turn the water on a couple of times in short bursts just to really push it, and then I'm going to go and flush it for about a minute or two, and I'm gonna go see what's going on outside, and there's gonna be a bunch of gunk and algae. There you go, the line is already clear, and I pushed a lot of junk right here, a lot of gunk. After or before you're done pushing the water through the line, you can also open the front of your AC system and then clean also the pan and all the algae that is accumulated on the bottom, just so your maintenance is fully completed. And I would advise doing this once a year. This way your AC is gonna be running smoothly with no leaks and no accidents. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.